Hi there, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 1 mid-level. You can see on the screen that I've already logged into our system on the My IT Lab website, and I've advanced to where I'm looking at the results of your submission. I want you to get yourself here as well and take a look at the results. Notice that on the right-hand side, you can click to download the submitted file. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to click there, download a copy of the submitted file, and open it in Excel. That's what I have open in Excel, and then we'll walk through the steps together of how to make the corrections to satisfy the system. Okay, so let's take a look at what it didn't like and how to fix it. So in the results, the first thing is step number 3, type this data in cell A5 and use autofill. So I'm going to click the down arrow to see exactly what it didn't like. So it's missing like an A8, A9, A10, 11, and A12. At least it doesn't find what it thinks it should find. So I'm going to go back to the Excel file. When you open your submitted file, remember that when we submitted it, we had both sheets grouped together, and you have to ungroup them. So currently, when I first open the submitted file, I can see both are grouped together. I'm going to right-click on one of the sheet names, and I'm going to choose Ungroup Sheets. The sheet that we worked in for most of the assignment is called Houses Sold. So click on Houses Sold, and here I see the data, but for some reason it's not what it expected it to be. Oh, you know what? Do you see how it goes from 03 to 05? Yeah, so we have to correct for that. So here's what you should do. Click on cell A5 and just use the autofill command. So I hover my mouse over autofill and I correct those numbers going down. Those are the numbers it wants to see in those given cells. All right, that'll give the points back for those. Let's keep going on. Step 5, format the list prices and sold prices to accounting number format with 0 decimal places. And again, it gave you some points. So I'm going to click the arrow to see what else. So accounting, comma, it's not finding things in the F through the G. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see. So in the submitted sheet, I'm going to select the range F5 all the way through G12. And from the Home tab, I'm going to apply the accounting number format. So it's the button that has the $sign on it. So I'm going to click accounting number format, and then I'm going to decrease the decimal twice. So I'm going to click this command once, twice to remove the decimal places. All right, and that should give you back the points there. Let's keep going on. Step 10. Edit the list date for Chestnut Circle to be 4/22. Okay, I'm going to expand this to see exactly what it didn't like. Oh yeah, and I think, well, let's take a look and see. So C9 should be 4/22. I'm going to go to Houses Sold. C9, oh yep, it missed it. So this should actually be, I'm going to edit this, not February, but April 22nd, and then I'll press enter. So that's that correction. And the other one was Amsterdam Drive, the list price should be $355,000. All right, so back to my worksheet. Oh, and that one seems to be right, $355,000. Did it give you the E9? That's a little bit, oh. All right, let's keep working. Let's just keep, do you see how it wanted to see that information in E9, and it's an F, oh no, it's an, all right, cell E9, that's a curious situation. Let's hold on to that. Let's hold on to, there's Chestnut Circle. Let's hold on to that one and see what happens. I'm going to close this up again. Let's move on to one that we can correct. My IT Lab is very interesting. Like, it always does something for a reason, but figuring out what that reason is, it's like solving a puzzle. Okay, so let's do step 13. This is a puzzle problem we can solve. Step 13 says apply the right and increase the indent 2 times. Okay, so I'm going to expand this, and it says in the cells E5 through E12, the indentation was not set to 2 stops. All right, so we're going to select E5 through E12. You have it right aligned. It gave you the points for that, but what it wants to see is this increase indent. and you have to click it twice. So I'm going to click 1, 2, and don't worry that it looks like this. The My IT Lab system doesn't care. It's only looking to see that that action was taken, to show that you know how to do that. And we do, so okay, let's leave it alone. That's what it's going to look. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, is there anything else? Oh, one more, step 21. With both worksheets grouped, insert a footer with Exploring Series on the left, sheet name code in the center, and file name code on the right. It gave you some points, so what didn't it see? Left footer Exploring Series is missing from the left footer on both sheets. Okay, so back to Excel. You have houses sold active. On your keyboard, press and hold Shift. Then click the formula sheet. Notice now they're grouped again. From the Page Layout tab, click Print Titles, click Header Footer, and click Custom, what are we doing? Custom Footer. Oh, you have it, but do you see what? You have to capitalize. It said Exploring Series with a capital E and a capital S. I warned you it was picky, and that's why I deducted those points. So change that to be capital E, capital S, click OK one more time, and then you should be good to go. Save it, submit it to My IT Lab, and then let me know what happens with those points. If any points are deducted at all, I'm super curious as to how it's going to respond to your new submission. And then email me to let me know. All right, good luck.